Burford Electronics, the Britt Face. You get fuzz, you get voice, you get level. But you may ask, what circuit is it inside? You will never know, because this too also is potted. So you can't repair it, you can't fix it. It's just going to be two transistors and a couple of capacitors. It's going to be pretty boring. Alpha pots again. Oh God, that soldering looks a bit nasty on the back of that pot. Diode, protection diode. Standard stompy switch, standard decent quality jacks. The parts for the tone control are just hanging. Is that the tone control? The voice, yeah, some kind of a balancing tone control. The cap and the resistor for that are just floating in the breeze. That's all.